Hello everyone. Now I am making this video to show you how this battery for iPhone explode inside a car because of high temperature. These two iPhone destroyed, really broken, everything broken, and I took the reason. I opened the battery. These two kind of battery for two different iPhones. And what's happened? I opened the battery and I cut the battery like this to see what inside. It's silver, all these things inside put in this black and silver cover, and I opened and I found many layers of this. It's like this, but little heavy, and I opened this layer also. I found this. Look, this is the layer. This is the layers, as you see. Look, this metal with this black covered. I don't know what is carbon or lithium or what. If you never seen what's inside, I open one battery for you to see, and this the other battery after explode because of the temperature. And I mix in. I open this and I found these layers inside, same like this. I open one, the biggest one. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to support, share, and press like if you like the video, or add any info more about this iPhone batteries. Thank you very much.